Okay, I have a guitar but I don't know how to play. You have a Kali Linux on VirtualBox but you don't know how to hack. Let's correct the second one. Hello, today I'll show you how to check your Wi-Fi network protected with WPA2 for security and explain what does really strong password mean. This method of getting password is brute force. It's not hard, but it has some nuances in hardware that you use. For brute forcing WPA-key, you need to capture handshake. Handshake is first 4 packets that client sends to router when it connects. These packets contain some information about client device, connection request, and of course password in encrypted form. The password is encrypted by hash function, so there is no way to decrypt or recalculate it because hash is a one-way encryption. But with power of CPU, we can try to find the string with the same hash. This is a brute force. For capturing packages that are not addressed to you, you need to put your Wi-Fi interface in monitor mode. But the problem is that not every Wi-Fi device supports monitor mode. On almost every Lenovo laptop, the internal Wi-Fi card supports monitor mode. But I have Dell and MacBook, and Wi-Fi card doesn't support, so I use external Wi-Fi card. Also, you need to know that you can't use your internal Wi-Fi card with virtual machine, because in virtual machine it's working like a wired connection. So, or connect external Wi-Fi card, or use Kali as main operating system if you're on Lenovo, right? And your internal Wi-Fi card supports monitor mode. You can check if your device supports monitor mode by the next command: Aircrack-NG -9 and name of your wireless interface. As you can see, my built-in wireless interface doesn't support monitor mode. The same story with MacBook. So I use USB Wi-Fi adapter, TP-Link. Once I'll make video about this, how to choose right Wi-Fi adapter with right chipset and how to set up right drivers. Okay, if we figured out with Wi-Fi adapter, we can start capturing handshake. Okay, we will do all from terminal as root user, so sudo su and password. Before enabling monitor mode, we need to kill all the processes that can interfere us by the next command: Aircrack-NG check kill. Now we can see that Network Manager is not running. Before enabling monitor mode, we need to disable the device, so ifconfig. Here we can see our device and type ifconfig name of device and down. Now if you type iwconfig, you can see that this device has auto mode, but we need to enable monitor mode. So iwconfig name of device, mode and monitor, and enable the device back up. Now let's start listening all Wi-Fi networks by the next command irdump-ng and name of device. Stop it with Ctrl+C, and here we can see a lot of information. We can see BSSID, this is a MAC address, we can see power, data channel, we can see protection, we can see name. This is my Wi-Fi network. Now let's choose our network. You hear our network, not someone else's network. Network that we are allowed to use. Copy the MAC address and type irdump-ng and give it BSSID, which is MAC address. Give it channel, which is 9 in my case. Then we select the directory and name of file where we will store our session and our handshake. And I forgot to enter name of the interface at the end. Okay, so now we can see the next menu. We can see the access point and connected devices. If no one is connected, it's not good because we need to wait for someone. But if someone is already connected, we can send the authentication packages and then let him reconnect automatically. To disconnect the client, open the second terminal, also as root user, and use the next parameters to Aircrack-NG, minus the auth, and number of the authentication packages that we want to send. 50 is good. With key A, you enter the BSSID of the access point, and with key C, you select the client. This client is my phone, so let's deauthenticate the phone from my network. And at the end, you need to enter your Wi-Fi adapter. I forgot the name. Now I can see that my phone is not connected to Wi-Fi. It lost connection. If we stop it, my phone reconnects automatically. And here we can see the message WPA handshake on this access point. So now we can stop capturing by Ctrl+C and start decrypt. Now we have handshake and can start brute force it. You even don't need to be in Wi-Fi zone. For brute forcing, you can use word lists with phone numbers, dates, words, and other combinations. You can download word lists or generate them with Crunch program or write your generator, like I did on Python. I usually use 4 word lists, one with dates, one with possible phone numbers, and 2 big word lists, one of them on 9 million combinations. And do this on real PC and not on virtual machine, because virtual machine is very slow, it's not maximum of your hardware. For brute force, we need powerful hardware, so now I'm here with more or less gaming PC with Intel Core i5 that's stronger than in MacBook. Launch Aircrack-NG with giving next parameters. -W is a word list. You can select more than one. I select phone numbers and then file where we stored the handshake. Here it is. Brute force process loads processor a lot, so make sure that you have good system of cooling and you will not burn anything. As you can see, the temperature of CPU is very high and brute force is in process. The speed is not very high, only 18,000 passwords in second, but in next videos I'll show you how to increase the speed in very big number using your GPU. And yes, we found K. Stopped hearing the terrible noise of CPU fan because we found the K. The K was this number. Maximal temperature of core was 95 degrees by Celsius. I hope you liked this stuff and I hope you will not use your knowledges in bad intentions. Don't forget about like and subscribe and write how much time did brute force take on your network.